Yeah, so our real estate tip of the week, and Tim and I were out and about with clients today, going over this exact same topic, and we thought we would share it. Our real estate tip of the week is about when to buy before selling, or when to sell before buying. So it's a bit of a tricky one because, Tim, in a normal market, what would happen is we would have plenty of time, no stress, to actually list a property, put it on the market, see how it goes, and then once an offer comes in, we can then go out and start shopping. Okay, and in that normal period, when we're in a normal market, we would just push back our financing condition or our property inspection condition to after the condition date of our client's home selling. So there is no stress in that period. And normally, Tim, we would have an abundance of properties on the market. So we could go out there and basically show them an array of properties, and they can choose which one they want to live in or which one they want to invest in. But we're not in a normal market, Tim. What is going on, and
what's going on now is we don't have enough supply. We have way too much demand, and we've got some crazy multiple offer situations. As an example, last week we listed a property in an average neighborhood, Bridlewood. We listed it for $420. It was an average two-story house. Actually, it was quite small. Had hail damage. It was tenant occupied.
It was beat up.
It was pretty beat up.
It's pretty beat up. And so we went to see our clients, and we actually sent an email out to our database about 6 weeks ago, a month ago, Tim. And the heading was when to sell a problem property. Actually, that was one of our investment tips of the week. And Ryan's seen that video on our YouTube. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do below. And you know what? You'll get great tips of the week. And this was one of our tips, when to sell a problem property. And the problem property, it had hail damage like I've never seen before, Tim. Like it scared me.
Giant holes. And the side, like the vinyl siding had holes, this big, all across the back of the house.
So we listed this property for $420. We went in to see our clients. We had to move the tenant out. In this case, to get maximum price, we moved the tenant out. We got Ryan and his wife Cynthia to fix up, do a little touch up here and there.
Painting, little cleaning, stuff like that.
Cleaning for sure. And we went into multiple offers. We can't disclose the price right now because it is conditional, but it went way over any expectations, Tim.
Yeah.
So in this case, when the market is so hot, and we had two listing meetings today, one in Ranchlands, one in Acadia, and the one in Acadia are long-time investors, clients, over 15, 16 years we've worked with them. And Carl and Marilla, we actually sat them down and said, there is no way we should go out and basically put this on the market and then hopefully go find you something. In reverse,
they will never find a house to buy in that period of time because there's going to be so much interest in their sale that they'll have to go find a place to rent or an Airbnb or something.
Yeah, so the reason why we want to jump on this is because the market is red hot. Inventory is super low, demand is super high. We know interest rates went up, and people have rate holds. So the rate holds is driving them to get into the market before the rate hold period collapses. And then they have to resubmit pre-approval. So in their case, we would recommend going to look for properties first and then listing their properties. And we want to stress that to everybody because we know people are in these situations where they want to move, and how do they time it all? And in this market, sellers can choose to have a longer possession date, but you don't want to get into a situation. This is the worst thing you could do, Tim, and we've lost a lot of money buying in red hot markets like this. Tim and I can honestly say, you don't want to.
What's the expression? FOMO.
That's what we heard from another investor today. I don't know if Mark is on the call, but we heard that the deal of a lifetime comes around every week. Tim taught me that many years ago. We believe things will cool down because we'll get into the market update shortly, but we just wanted to go over when to buy and sell. And in this market, you basically want to go and find a property, make sure you're paying the right price for it, and then make sure you're working hopefully with us as your realtors to get the price right. And when you have the price right, like we did on Bridlewood property last week, we had 83 showings in a span of 72 hours.
That's what it,
We had 17 offers, unconditional offers as well. and we cut the offers off at the end of the day. So that's how hot it is. You need to understand the market when you're getting in so you don't lose money, and that's why we do what we do. We hope you like the investment tip of the week. If you've missed our investment tips, if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, I will put a link in there later on. You can find it on our website. We do these investment tips of the week so you can make money or save money. We hope you like it.